What's up, YouTubers? This is Nick Tsoukales with Key Credit Repair, and today's credit question of the day is going to be which credit score is used when I'm applying for a home loan. So pretty simple stuff, okay? So let's say, for example, we have a 750 credit score for Experian, okay? We have a 732 for Equifax, and then we have a 740 for TransUnion, okay? A lot of people are going to think, well, Nick, it's the middle credit score. Well, it sometimes is the middle credit score, so that's not entirely incorrect. But in this case, the middle credit score would have been a 732, which is technically the lowest credit score, okay? So it's definitely not the 732, okay? It's definitely not the lowest credit score, and it's definitely not the highest credit score. A home loan or a mortgage lender is going to use something called the median credit score, or middle of three values. So in this case, what you're going to look at is you're going to stack up the three credit scores, okay? And you're going to look for middle of three values. So in this case, we have 740. So this is obviously the lowest, this is the highest, and this is the middle of three values. So again, guys, if you're pulling your credit score wondering which one is used for a home loan, it's always going to be the middle of three values. The credit score that you need for a home loan is always going to be a FICO score, and the place to get that FICO score aside from the mortgage lender is going to be myfico.com. Guys, have a great day.